Today we are here at the ANU's Spring Valley doing a demonstration of the technologies the Bushfire Research Center of Excellence have been developing and testing over the last 3 years.
So we're out here to see the great work that's been done by the ANU in the bushfire research. A lot of this technology and a lot of these findings are actually being utilised by our crews. These ongoing partnerships with research organisations are pivotal in the future of the RFS, but also firefighting nationally and also internationally.
We're looking at spotting incipient fires in the countryside. So we have some artificial heat sources that are there as a proxy for the fires, and we're flying our drone with a camera to cover large areas looking for those fires.
With anthropogenic climate change, we are having fire seasons that are more frequent and severe. So we need to find a new way to manage these fires because current suppression and prevention tactics not always work efficiently under these conditions, and they are getting only more costly.
The changing climate, the introduction of newer technologies is key for us to be moving forward as fire services. The use of technology is making our people smarter, better informed, but then it's also giving us real-time data and analytics that we can actually use to better prepare ourselves, better respond, but then also have a better recovery period so the environment recovers, the community recovers. So the use of technology for us will be a priority into the future.